Good day everyone, most especially to you, Sir Lester and Cabanillas. And by the way, my name is Meljun V. Cariaga. And now, let's discuss about what are the general guidelines in grading essay test. But before that, what is essay? A essay, an essay is a type of assessment where students answer questions by writing their ideas in their own words. And now let's proceed the first general guidelines in grading essay test. The first guidelines is identify the criteria for rating essay. It is that the criteria or standards for evaluating the essay should be predetermined. Like for example, a teacher decides that the essay will be rated like content, organization, and clarity of ideas. And now let's proceed to the second general guidelines. Determine the type of rubric to use. There are two basic types of rubric: holistic or analytic scoring system. The two type two, two basic type of rubric. The first one is the holistic. When we see holistic, the score is given based on the overall quality of writing, and the analytic scoring system is a separate scores to different parts. When we say analytic, like the watching TV or watching TV. Now let's proceed to the third general guidelines. The third is prefer the rubric. In developing rubric, the skills and competencies related to essay writing should first be identified. When you see the prefer the rubric, like for example, the teacher prefer the rubric where the content is 25 points, the organization 5 points, and the grammar 10 points, the total of 30 points or 50 points. Based in what the teacher is given rubric. The rubric should match the skills needed in doing an activity. And now, let's proceed to fourth general guidelines in grading essay test. The fourth general guidelines is the evaluate essay anonymously. Checking essay should be done anonymously. When we say anonymously, it is the teacher should not know who wrote the essay to avoid biases. And the next is the fifth general guidelines is the score one essay question at a time. This is to ensure that the same thinking and standards are applied for all learners in the class. Like for example, you see the score in one essay question. The essay test has two questions, and the teachers answered in the first question first before proceeding into the second questions. Or the teacher should check the same questions for all students for moving to the next question. And the next is the number 6 general guidelines is that be conscious of own biases when evaluating a paper. The rate should not be affected by learners' writing styles, length of responses, and other factors. These guidelines where the teacher reminds themselves to not let the handwriting of students, the neatness, or personal feelings to evaluate the essay. And the next is the number 7 The seventh or the next guidelines in the reading sentence is review initial scores and comments before giving the final rating. This is important especially for essays that were initially given a barely passing or failing grade. Before giving the final grade, the teacher should review scores especially for essays that passed or failed. And now the number 8, give 2 or more raters. For essays that are high stake, such as those used for admission, placement, or scholarship screening purposes. When we say give 2 or more raters, it is for exams in admission, placement, or scholarship to unfair like the scholarship. To avoid that, it is also to avoid unfair judgment. You should to get 2 or more raters. And the last one, the number 9 is the write comments. These guidelines is next to the learner's responses to provide feedback on how well one has performed in the essay test. These writing comments, the teacher after the reading essay, the teacher should feedback on what are the need to improve or what are the different ways for the improvement of the writing essay of a students. The writing essay is very important because when you write the writing essay, this is very important for all the students. Instead of selecting a multiple choice, enumeration, identification, the essay is very crucial for all the students like to give their own ideas, their own perception about their observation or anything else. And that's it for our my topic about what are the general guidelines in reading is a test. Thank you for watching and God bless.